Hi everybody, in this video tutorial I will show you how to build a dashboard that will provide you with this feature of having a device selector as well as a date browser. For this demonstration I will take a list of devices which are showing data from weather station, and I have here three devices, one for Amsterdam, for Auckland and for Eindhoven, and they all give me temperature, humidity, pressure, wind speed and wind direction, as you can see. Okay, so let's go back to dashboards, create a new dashboard. I will call it weather, and I want to add date browser and device selector. I will select devices based on the device type. In this case, I will take the weather device type. Okay, press the add button, confirm, and I get an empty dashboard which shows me the list of weather stations and a date selector. Now I can add a widget. So let's make a chart of the temperature in the city which I'm going to select. So I take a line chart, and here I'm going to show something which I call temp, which is global from device selector, and automatically you get all the data which are common to all weather stations. I'm going to take temperature, for example, and for the times selector, so the time frame, I'm going to take 1 week up to the date selector. And now I have the temperature, which is for Amsterdam. If I choose Auckland, I get a different one, and Eindhoven as well. So this is how to build a dashboard with a device and date selector, and you can actually do the same in Report Manager by selecting a list of assets. Thanks for listening.